LibSoft 2020 includes a module to assist with element identification in acquired spectra. This module is only available in LibSoft Full, and the corresponding USB key is required to activate and utilize its functions. The element identification or element ID module facilitates the determination of the likely presence of specified elements in the material analysed by matching peaks in the acquired spectra to known characteristic emission lines for each element. The results provided by the element identification module are categorized in 3 levels based on the percentage of these characteristic emission lines that are identified as being present in the sample spectrum. These categorizations are as follows. The element is almost certainly present in the material. The element may be present. The element is almost certainly absent from the material analysed. Where multiple measurements have been made at different positions on a sample, the element identification module also provides the facility to generate maps of both the identification result and the raw spectral intensity for individual elements. The element identification module can be opened from the main LibSoft application screen by selecting this shortcut button. This causes the element identification module main screen to be opened and maximized in front of the main LibSoft application screen, which remains open in the background. The element identification module can be closed at any time to return to the main LibSoft application by left-clicking on the X in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Any data currently loaded in the element identification module will, however, be retained in this instance and will be redisplayed if the module is reopened, provided that the main LibSoft application has not been closed in the meantime. At the top of the element identification main screen there is a toolbar. This provides shortcut buttons to access various functions and the element identification configuration screen. The remainder of the screen is the analysis display area, the key features of which are described in subsequent videos. The shortcut buttons in the toolbar are, from left to right, as follows. Select spectra for analysis. Select and display spectra previously acquired using LibSoft. Add comparison spectra. Select Save Spectra for comparison with the analysis spectrum. Clear comparison spectra. Clear spectra loaded for comparison, leaving just the spectrum for analysis. Analyze spectra. Analyze the currently loaded spectra using the current configuration. Open the element ID configuration. This displays the screen used to configure the element identification parameters. Save results. Save the results of an analysis to the file. Load saved results. Load previously saved analysis results. Export results to Microsoft Word. Export the analysis results to a Microsoft Word document. Export results to Microsoft Excel. Export the analysis results to a Microsoft Excel workbook. In addition to the shortcut buttons, the following controls are displayed in the toolbar. Displayed spectrum. This provides a list of the spectra loaded for analysis, allowing the user to select which of these to display. The green arrows either side of the control allow the user to step forwards and backwards through the list of spectra. Spectrum number to map. This allows the user to select which spectrum to display and map when a loaded file includes multiple spectra.